Don't buy any more glass cleaner. After watching this video, you can prepare it at home. Today, I will show you a step-by-step, 100% homemade recipe to quickly and easily clean glass and crystals using only 3 ingredients. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. If you're like me and enjoy saving money, you will love this recipe, and I'm confident you haven't seen it anywhere else. Let me know which city you're watching from so I can give you a special greeting in my next videos. To begin, we will use 200 milliliters of white vinegar. Its acidic concentration helps clean the surface of the crystals. We will also add 200 milliliters of rubbing alcohol, which will help it dry much faster. Lastly, add a tablespoon of liquid detergent to make the crystals shine. Mix the ingredients until they are homogeneous, and then pour the mixture into a spray atomizer. If you've made it this far, please share any tips or tricks you'd like us to feature on the channel. I am always checking your suggestions. Now, all that's left is to use this homemade glass cleaner at home to demonstrate its effectiveness. This recipe is very easy and practical to make, and the best part is that you likely already have the ingredients at home. It provides the same cleaning effect as the store-bought alternatives, but at a much cheaper cost. You can use a scouring pad or newspaper, and it will work very well. When you initially apply it, it may foam slightly due to the detergent, but it will leave your glass clean and streak-free. This homemade glass cleaner can be used on bedroom and bathroom mirrors, as well as for cleaning the windows of your house. It's also suitable for screens of cell phones, televisions, and computers. It's a versatile cleaner that serves multiple purposes. Give it a try at home and then come back here to let me know how it turned out. If you enjoyed this tip and would like to receive more videos like this, please write, "I want more tips," in the comments below. This will help me gauge if I'm on the right track. Today's greetings go to Susan Harrison from California and Ruth Cunningham from Montana. Thanks for watching. Here's today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming tips.